From last few days, many people are asking the same question. Indra, we hear so many positive reviews about Coffee Day stock. So can I invest some money in it? I have very good memories with Coffee Day because I've conducted most of my meetings in a Coffee Day. But that doesn't mean we should invest our hard-earned money blindly in a company, right? Hey everyone, my name is Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 7 best-selling books. In this video, I do fundamental analysis and technical analysis of a coffee day stock, and then we will see whether it is good to invest or not. So without wasting much time, let's start. First, we do the technical analysis of coffee day stock. So what I do is I will go to coffee day NSE, and then I will remove the RSI indicator. Anyway, it is in sideways. It shows it is in sideways. So I'll remove the RSI indicator. I will add volume. Okay. So now I'm looking at coffee day stock daily charts. So if I look at daily charts, coffee day, it might appear as bullish because we can see decent volume spikes and some increment actually. But if you observe the chart very carefully for a longer period, okay, you can see there was not much movement on these days. And also if you go back, okay, see this level to this level, there was a big gap down open actually. I mean, not gap down, there is not much activity. It fell, very rapidly. So if you go to weekly chart, we will get, more clarity on this. Okay, can you see this? Okay, so from here, this level was a strong support. 200, 195 to 200 level was a strong support for coffee day. But after that, it fell like anything. Okay, and there was a strong, selling included here. So now the price reached here, right? From here to here, if I go back to the daily charts, from here to here, this particular range acts as a big resistance, major resistance from 89 to 190 or 200. This is a major resistance in Bank Nifty. So, whether this particular volume is good enough to, push the price to this side, it is still not certain because even a person, when a person fell from second floor to third floor, even if he is a greatest athletic person, he might need a couple of months to recover from the injury before he runs or he walks, right? So that is why it might take some time to go to the upside. And also this level is very important. Okay, this particular range acted as resistance. So until the price breaks above this level, the 100, there is a high probability of price staying in the sideways mode. Next, we start with fundamental analysis of coffee day. So basically, the screener website provides all the fundamental information about any particular company. So we'll go to screener and then we will search for coffee day. So this is the overall fundamental information about the coffee day stock. There are many parameters, but I look at some important parameters to decide how the company is performing actually. So the number one parameter is PE ratio. So basically, PE ratio is a metric to determine the market value of a stock compared to its earnings. So in this case, the PE ratio is missing because the company is in loss, right? So this PE ratio is not giving a good sign actually. So that is one thing. And second thing is cash flow. So when we decide to invest in a company, we always look at how much cash or free cash that company is generating. Usually this cash flow includes operating cash flow, investing cash flow, and financing cash flow, right? Now, operating, investing, and financing. So now if you look at this, it's still, in the March 2021, it is minus 94 crore. So what this indicates is, it is negative. If the operating cash flow is negative, the company is not doing very good actually. But the only constraint is it reduced actually. Okay, this negativity is reduced, so that is the only good point actually. And the next is a promoter stakeholding. So we can get promoter stakeholding information here. So basically, a stock is positive when the promoter stake in the company is increases, because it means that the promoters confident in the company is growing actually. Okay, so but in this case, promoters stakehold is only around 14.88%, and it actually decreased in the last 3 years. So these two parameters are indicating, and again, this one parameter, promoters have pledged, over 51% in this holding. They have pledged already over 50% of their holding. So this is not giving a very good sign actually about the company. Okay, and if you look at the other couple of parameters, the company has reduced the debt. Okay, this is one small good parameter, and the debtor days are improved from 39 to 23 days. So which means debtor days is nothing but the company's ability to collect the payment from its customers or clients, whoever it may be. So this reduced from 30 close to 40 to 23 days. So these two are slight positive points. And again, if you go to the quarterly results, okay, this is the quarterly results. September 2021 sales has increased a little bit, but expenses also increased. Operating profit, that loss is decreased as compared to the past couple of quarters. And if you go to the profit and loss, again the sales, okay, not much. Again, the expenses is also there. Operating profit, that's almost same. So overall, I can't see much the positivity even from fundamental analysis perspective, because even in shareholding pattern, if you look at this, promoters are holding only 14.88 as of December 2021, and FII's contribution is also less. So government is not holding anything. So it's only public, they are holding 81.55%. So I can't see much, positive information about Coffee Day, even from fundamental analysis. That's it, friends. That is the analysis of Coffee Day. Personally, I don't prefer to invest in Coffee Day, and I love to look at other good stocks. But if you are really keen to invest in Coffee Day, then you can wait until the price breaks 100 level with good volume. Until that point, I can't see any good entry level. And also, if you are really keen to invest, very eagerly in Coffee Day, then you can invest very small portion of your capital, and you can invest a little bit extra when the price breaks above 100. Okay, so that's the overall overview about Coffee Day. So how was the analysis, friends? Do you want to see the similar kinds of analysis for other stocks? If yes, please comment below in the description. Let's catch up in the next video.